Welcome to what will soon be the manufacturing facility here in South Charleston of GreenPower Motor Company.
Well, we're coming to your city. Gonna play our guitars and sing you a country song. We'll all be flying higher than a jetliner. And if you want a little bang in your yin-yang, come along. Well, we flew through Cincinnati and we all got really happy. Grabbed a bowl of that Skyline chili along the way. Then we rolled on into Canton, scared the hell out of Marilyn Manson, and the party started happening. Hey, hey, hey. And in the middle of a Charleston night, we ran into Jessica White, and a little moonshine got us right plumb smack inside. Yeah, we're coming to your city. Gonna play our guitars and sing you a country song. We'll all be flying higher than a jet airliner. And if you want a little bang in your yin-yang, come along, come along.
GreenPower Motor Company planning to open a manufacturing facility in South Charleston.
Well, GreenPower Motor Company has made its way to West Virginia.
And we just can't tell you how excited we are to start setting our foundation here in West Virginia.
San Antonio is a wild, wild rodeo. And in Phoenix, Arizona, we drank way too much Corona. And we woke up by the river in Jeff City, Mo. And we're coming to your city. Gonna play our guitars and sing you a country song. We'll all be flying higher than a jet airliner. And if you want a little bang in your yin-yang, if you want a little zing in your zang-zang, if you want a little ching in your chang-chang, come along, come along, come along, come along. Yeah, we're coming